Hi, today for the VIVO IQOO U5X and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So let's first open the settings and then tap to network and internet section. To activate Wi-Fi, click once on the switcher and after that you will see here all of the available networks. For example, let's select the first one. Now we should enter the password. To see the password, we should click to this Show Password checkbox. After that, just tap to connect. Wait a second and we can see that we're just successfully connected to this network. By the same way, you could select another network, enter the password, tap to connect. After that, you can find all of the saved networks here in this section. You could just switch between them if you want. Sure, just to turn off the Wi-Fi, you should use the same switcher. So by this way, you could turn on and turn off the Wi-Fi. Also, we got one more way how we can do that. Just first open the control panel and find here Wi-Fi icon. Click on this icon to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, and just to launch all of the Wi-Fi settings you should hold for a while this icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, click thumbs up and subscribe our channel.